Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sameeksha Kaul from Galgoria University, and I am thankful to the entire team of this FDP for giving this task to make this environmental and sustainability case study for our own respective branches. Today I will be talking about green pharmacy. Environment and sustainability is the program outcome 10 of pharmacy. Now first of all, what is green pharmacy? Green pharmacy is basically a design of the pharmaceutical processes and products in such a way that eliminates or reduces the hazardous waste generation. Now why do we need green pharmacy? There are a total of more than 1,2,3,716 incidents of the major environmental concentrations of pharmaceutical waste around the world. Now what are pharmaceutical waste? Pharmaceutical waste is a waste that contains any medicinal drugs that are expired, unused, contaminated, damaged or no longer needed. And that may include your expired drugs, open containers of the drugs that cannot be used, containers that held acute hazardous waste, discarded drugs, patients' discarded personal medications, waste materials containing excess drugs like syringes, IV bags, tubing, vials, etc., contaminated garments and absorbents and spill cleanup materials. Now what are the points of the entry of these hazardous substances from the pharmaceuticals into the environment? From a very low-cost pharmaceutical production industry, they can enter into the environment. There is a direct or improper disposal of unused or expired medications into the trash and through the excretion of the urine and feces, or disposal by pharmacies, household water, sewage or solid garbage when mixes with the citrus drugs, leaching from the defective landfills, release from the hospital waste and trash, and release from the aquaculture which has medicated feed, release of the molecular farming and especially the pest control drugs, disposal of euthanized or medicated animal carcass. Now this is a pictorial depiction of how the pharmaceutical processes or manufacturing processes and the final products of the pharmacies can lead to the environmental contamination and how they can be disposed. Now effects of the drugs on the environment. For example, we have estrogens, and estrogens when they come in contact with the water, they cause the feminization of the male fish. Antidepressants may delay the fish and frog development. They result in the slower heart rates for the water flea like Daphnia. Fluoroquinolones can lead to malformations in embryos of kites. Antibiotics, they have a potential role in promoting resistance development in human and animal pathogens. And these are the certain recommendations done by WHO for the disposal methods of pharmaceuticals. For solids, semi-solid powders, they have different categories for liquids, the ampules, anti-infective drugs, new plastics, control drugs, aerosol containers, disinfectants, PVC plastics, glass, paper and cardboard. Now what are the steps to achieve green pharmacy? First of all, one should be environmentally conscious when ordering a stock so that one can adjust the inventory. We should use eco-friendly packaging materials and ask patients if the bag is needed to encourage plastic saving. Encourage use of virtual technology instead of paper, and if one can use a recycled paper. And also reverse distribution can be a good solution, like returning of the unwanted, unusable and expired medicines to the manufacturer or the manufacturing agent. We should create a recycling program and we should insist employees to use it. Never mix waste materials with other waste. Educating patients on the safe and effective medication practices. Remind patients to return unused or expired medication to pharmacies for proper disposal. Energy conservation, turning off the lights, air conditioning, computer monitors and other equipment that are not in use. And these are the references. Thank you very much for hearing out my presentation.